Fred Enanga omugambirizi wa polisi omwihanga nagira ngo nimurungi yahereze kuboneka ashangirwa mu Kampala kandi Fiona Rukundo omukazi wagira omurwe na nyina w'omwana ogu polisi emukwasire okujuhiraho mu kuchondoza
sobodde okuzuula ne murungi Betani mu maka ga Rukundo Fiona Emanyangwa gayaza Wakiso yabadde abeera okumala emyaka 5. Twasobodde okufuna statement okuva ku Rukundo Fiona n'alaga nti Kirande Mase mama w'omwana yamumulekera era ali South Africa, so enteekateeka zigenda mu maaso okulaba nti mama w'omwana no tumuggyako statement. Badde tebalina kiragiro kya kkooti kibawa lukusa okubeera n'omwana ono era wadde tebalina nkolagana ya buzadde kolagana wakati waabwe eraga mwala waabwe ono engeri gy'abalina okukuumibwamu.
Reverend Sister Margaret Tusime orwebembera ishomero rya Bishop Asiri naye sima hawo kuba ngo omwana ogwo abonekire kandi nahamya ngo ubwo omwana ogwo arebekire amazima gaza kumanywa.
The mother came who was introduced by the husband at a certain time and came and wanted to see the child, was granted to see, and later on requested to take the child for medical treatment in Kampala, on which I granted her permission for 1 week and later on never turned back.
Twagamba hona Tadeo Ruzindantaro ishe w'omwana ogwo hasimu
tikikabagaho kugira ngo ishomero gire nko kurya nyamba tibakantereragane simu ngo banyete bagire ngo tusitame tuzameza turebe umwana twamuronda tuta konka surprisingly bayita press conference batandika kugamba ngo umwana bamubwine after putting in money and a lot of effort kubara baramanya ngo nibo mazima daradara babi ikintu babire bakirimo nabo baragezeho kurondoga umwana niba twereke any reference from the police ninga batwereke ikintu cona cyo bujurizi kirereka ngo bakabararonda ki ogumwana.
There must be a connection between the person who was looking after the child and the mother who took the child from the school, because the mother now is in South Africa, but the child was being looked after by her friend, I would imagine, in Kampala, right from around P6 to S1. Now the child should be now around S1.
Nyina w'omwana ogwo ari muri South Africa kandi ahitwa akorera amakuru agatwamanyisibwa ngo abakugo mu kuchondoza kurga Kampala bakiro muri Kabale kwenda kwetegereza inshongezi kandi n'omwana ari muri Kabale gasha kwa Job namanya.